Hello YouTube, just your boy the Crazy Trader, and I'm here with your favorite stock review. What am I going to do today? Today the market is doing really good. It's favoring me. For the past week, the market has been going down and down and down, but today the market is doing really good for me, and I made $545 today without doing anything, doing nada. You guys know I'm on my 5 restocks that I believe every millennial or Gen Z should have. I've already done 3 of those stocks, 2 more to go. I was about to do 1 today, but then the market reacted on a stock that I've already spoken about. The market reacted positively, and I just wanted to give you a review of what the market reacted to, and then tomorrow I'm going to continue with the next stock on my wraith. Okay, so real quick, let's go to the stock that I've been talking about that the market has reacted to. This stock was part of my 5 high growth stocks that I did about a month ago. Okay, the name of the stock is Palantir. So if anybody got into Palantir, where at the time that I spoke about it was about $26 still. It was really at 26, and then it dropped down all the way to 23. Those who got into it. Those who didn't, I already am into Palantir at 21.96. Let's say 22. So Palantir is doing great right now for me. Just the aftermarket today, it did 13% aftermarket today. Look at that, $258 aftermarket. So it was really good, and I want to show you what Palantir, the reason why the stock went up. It's going to be a real quick video today. So Palantir stock is surging. This is on the barons.com. Okay, the Palantir stock is surging on a big army contract win. Palantir won a big army contract, a contract that is almost 1 billion, almost. Okay, so it's 823 million, almost a billion. So they won the contract with one other company. So I think they have majority of that contract. Palantir has always been winning contracts with it used to be like 60 to 70% of the company's business was with the government, and most of them was with the army, the defense system, and other people. So let's just read a quick one on the article that I pulled out. So Palantir Technology, I'll just read the first paragraph, okay, not to go into it too much. I can read the first and second paragraph, so this thing doesn't have to be long. Palantir Technology stock is trading sharply higher after the software company said it won the vast majority of an $823 million program to provide data and analytics software to the army. This is what they have been doing for a very long time. Okay, let me go to the second paragraph and read that too. Maybe you'll be interested in it. In February 2020, Palantir and Bay Systems had been named as finalists for others under the program. 6 companies had originally submitted proposals. In June 2020, Bay announced that it had received an initial order under the program, sometimes referred to as capability drop 2. But Palantir apparently won the bake off between the 2 companies and will be the sole provider going forward. So Palantir won this contract hands down, and it's a huge contract. Look at $823 million. It's a huge contract, huge contract. So I believe it's going to affect the stock. I mean, I don't believe it's already affecting the stock positively. And this was aftermarket. It was announced aftermarket, and the aftermarket went up 13%. So I'm thinking the opening of tomorrow will also be very, very drastic. I think tomorrow is going to rise up to maybe, I'm just thinking 28. This is just an assumption, thinking 28. It can push to 30 because this is good news. Almost a $1 billion dollar contract is good news, and it can affect any stock positively, especially Palantir, which a lot of there's a lot of naysayers when it comes to Palantir. So just also go to yahoo.com. There's a lot of articles. You'll be amazed by the past 5 hours what kind of articles are coming out because of this stock reaction. Palantir stock is surging on a big army contract win. This is on the barons.com. Motley Fool says market rise, but one stock is standing out after hours Tuesday, and they're talking about Palantir. You can see Ella Bezinga, why Palantir stock must hold this key part into technical analysis. Palantir stock rallies more than 10% on an $823 million army contract. There's a lot of articles that you can go on there and read. Different companies. You can read all of this article. Trust me, I've read quite a few of them. You can read all of them, and then you form your basis on that. But I don't think you should get into, if you're going for a long-term drive, I think you should wait for it to cool off before you get into the stock, because right now it's going to rally. I think it's going to rally up from this news. So if you're a day trader, I think this is a right time to jump on here and do your day trade, or swing trader, this is the right time to jump on here and do your swing trade. If you are into options too, you can buy a few options on Palantir, even though I think the premium is going to be a little higher, but you can still get some some change in there. So if you're an options trader, you can still get into it. And for me, I'm a long-term holder, so I have 80 shares of Palantir. You can see right here I have 80 shares of Palantir, and I'm hoping that I can get into more, but not right now, because right now it's too hard to get into. But if you can see, my total return is $355, which is 20% of what I invested in, which makes a lot of sense. This is good profit. If I sell right now, I've made 20%, and I haven't even held Palantir for a year. I've held Palantir for less than a year. This is 20%. Even if I pay what's tax on it, I still hold some nice amount. Even if I pay 30% on this 355, I'll still hold some nice, you know, change on it. So it's positive. I can sell right now and get out of it and make my money, but that's not how I trade my stock. With this company, I believe is going to be a big company. I in the near future, I'm thinking this guy can go $100-$200 in the near future, 5-10 years. That's why I specifically gave it to millennials and Gen Z and not baby boomers, because some of them don't have 5-10 years to wait on this thing. But as a millennial or Gen Z, you do have that amount of time to wait and hold on to this stock. This is how we invest. So this is just a quick one on Palantir. I'll resume my my REIT stocks from tomorrow. I have 2 more to go, so I'll talk about them. Anyways, just a quick one. Crypto is also going wild. So if you're a crypto fan, you should go into watch cryptos. I don't want to add it to this video, but just if you're a crypto fan, just take a look at crypto from tomorrow going. Bitcoin is already 51,000. Ethereum has crossed the 3,000 line. So you can watch the crypto market too and see if you can do some swing trading, some day trading, or long-term trading out there. Anyways, not to waste too much of your time. Like I always say, scared money don't make no money, and you always gotta risk it to get the biscuit. I'm out of your hair. Stay blessed, stay safe, and peace.